Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets. I am Akanksha and you are watching the quantum numbers from the quotient structure of atoms. This is the continuation of the last video in which we are learning the principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number. So let's check out. The next portion was magnetic quantum number, or the other word is magnetic orbital quantum number. It is denoted by the symbol M subscript L. So the main points of this quantum number is, first one, it is describing the orientation of the orbital in the space. So we can, second point what is we can get information is, it is also called as orbitals in the simple language. Third point is, for any value of L, the total values of M should be 2L plus 1. You can write, for any L, total values of is equal to 2L plus 1. And it should be shown as minus L to 0, then 2 plus L. See, let's take an example. If L is equal to 2, the total values of M should be 2L plus 1. It means 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. The total values of M should be 5. And written like minus L means minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, then plus 1 and plus 2. So this is called how to write the values of M if we have a value of L. So let's come, this is all about magnetic quantum number. Let's come to the spin quantum number. Spin quantum number is also known as electron spin quantum number, and it is shown by M with subscript S. Now, the main points of this quantum number is, first one, it is giving the information about the orientation of electrons. As the Earth rotates on its own axis, it is assumed that electrons will also spin in its own axis inside the orbital. Each orbital has 2 electrons. So there are 2 orientations for electrons. Called plus half and minus half. Second point is, this is called the 2 spin states. It is this orientation is called 2 spin states of electron. Third point under this quantum number is, it is shown by the up arrow called spin up, and if it is showing down arrow, it is called spin down. This is all about spin quantum number. But let's check one more thing. We will write all the quantum numbers together, like N, then L, then M, L, N, M, S. So, if N is equal to 1, what should be the possible values of L? L should have only one value, that is how we will get 0. M should be 2L plus 1, it means it was also 0. Using 2L plus 1, so 2 0 is 0 plus 1, it means 1. So only one value. And we know 0 means S. So M is 0 means 1 orbital. We can draw it here, 1 orbital. And it is having 2 electrons. So it should be like plus half, not plus. Up, sign up and spin up and spin down. Now, if n is equal to 2, what will be the possible values of n? It should be 0 and 1. 0 means S, 1 means P. So, for S orbital, the M value should be 0 and it is written like this. For P, or we can say for L is equal to 1, the M values will be minus 1, 0 and not like this. We can write minus 1, 0, plus 1, and it should be shown like this. It means it has 3 orbitals. This is minus 1, this is 0, and this is plus 1. For L is equal to 1, M will be minus 1, 0, plus 1. It means P orbital has, P subshell has 3 orbitals. And the spin will be like, here it is half, here it is in the first orbital, in the second orbital, and in the third orbital. Now, if one more time I will explain you, if n is equal to 3, what will happen? L values will be 0, 1 and 2. S, and D. This N and L relation I told you in the previous video. If you have any doubt, please go to that video and check this thing. For 0, M should be only 0 and having only 1 orbital. For P, again 3 orbital, which is minus 1, 0, plus 1. And for D, or we can say L is equal to 2, we have 5 values. Using 2L plus 1, we will get 5 values. So we will make 5 orbitals over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be the values minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 2, plus 1 and plus 2. And same every time we can draw the electrons like this here. Or one more way to write this electron is plus half, minus half, and like this we can write. So hope you guys understand the concept, how to correlate all the 4 quantum numbers. If one value I will get all the other 3 values. So if you have any doubt in any point, please feel free to ask me. Thank you.